Hare Krishna. Today I'm showing you how to make a gluten-free roti. We need 1 cup of gluten-free flour. We need 1/4 teaspoon of salt. We need 1 teaspoon of oil, and we also need 1/2 cup of warm water. Whenever you are making gluten-free roti, you have to make sure that you use the warm water. Now we just start making the dough for the roti. So you just start adding little water first and then start making dough. Okay, so now the dough is ready. Now you can cover this dough with either the cloth or anything you want. And on the side for at least 10 minutes. So just take little butter on your hands and start kneading the dough. So just do it for at least 1 minute to make it soft. So now the dough is ready. So now just take a little lemon size of dough in your hand and just knead it between your two palms for 2 to 3 seconds. And I usually take a rice flour when I start rolling the roti. I always use that. It's really good for gluten-free if you use the rice flour, because rice flour is also gluten-free. So now we start rolling the roti. Make sure whenever you are doing the gluten-free roti, don't give a lot of pressure, because if you give them, it's gonna stick. So just try to roll with the soft hand and start rolling the roti. If you have to, then you just dust little bit rice flour and start rolling again. So for this one, if you like a thick, then you can keep thick roti, and if you like a very thin one, then you just keep rolling with the soft hand until your thickness. Okay, so the roti is ready now. Now we have to bake this one, so we have to be very careful for this. When you're taking in your hands, you have to take it very gently, otherwise it's gonna break, because it's a gluten-free. So I usually take a non-stick pan for the gluten-free roti. It's really good. So I preheat this pan for at least 5 minutes, and I keep the heat on between medium. Keep it like that, so it's really good for gluten-free. So now you take your roti and put it on the stove and wait until you see little bit brownish spot on the first side. So sometimes it take little longer, sometimes it's just done in a half minute. So you have to just keep eye on it, because it's all depend on the gas, how full is it, and those all depend. So now this side is done. You see a little bit brown spot. So now you just turn on the other side and wait until you see the brown on the other side too. side is also done. So just put it on a flame to put up the roti. Sides are done now. So our gluten-free roti is done. Now you can put either clarified butter, or if you are vegan, then try to use the vegan butter or whatever you like on the roti. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching. Hare Krishna.